Hello everyone, this is the customized electric axle for our minibus project, and the electric axle is customized according to the dimensions provided by the customers. And we can see the differential and gearbox assembly already installed in the axle. And later we are going to install the mechanic handbrake of the axle to the gearbox. This is the handbrake, the pop brake, by mechanical control, and this later will install to the gearbox, of the assembly. And this part we will install the electric motor, and this is the upper shaft of the gearbox, and the upper shaft will insert to the motor, electric motor. And when I turn the wheel, we can see it's moving. The input of the electric axle, the shaft is moving when I turn the wheels. Also, we can see when I turn the wheels in this part. Okay, turn the wheels here. Also, the pop brake, of the electric axle also moving. So it means that this part, this is one of the output of the assembly, and this is also one of the output, we can say input of the electric axle. And this part we have another output to use handbrake. When we park our vehicle, we pull the brake line, and this part will be locked. It means that the electric axle will be put in still. It's a very nice, very compact electric axle. Thank you for watching.